Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. Today we are doing the McKenzie Child Challenge. It is a challenge put on by Indiana Jones and Antoinette of Ants Decorating Ants Place. Antoinette is just a darling girl, and she has the most beautiful house and does the most beautiful table settings. You really need to check her out. And what can I say about Indiana Jones except she's a nutball? You need to really go check her out. She'll make you laugh. This is what she was doing last night. Okay, let's get on with it. I thrifted these wooden boxes last time I went to the thrift store, and I already painted one white. Had these cute little chickens on it, but I thought, well, I don't know. They weren't very McKenzie Child, more farmhouse. So I was trying to decide if I wanted to use my McKenzie Child napkins on them or if I wanted to hand paint them. And the more I got painting them, the more I noticed they're kind of rough. So they'd look kind of hand painted, I think. So I'm using the McKenzie Child napkins that I got right from McKenzie Child. First, it looks better to put some kind of white underneath, and since I didn't want to wait all day for them to dry, I put some chalk paint on there. One coat was good enough. So I'm just taking the napkins apart. And they're still really quite thick napkins when I even take that inner liner out. So I'm putting my Plaid Mod Podge on. Nice announcement. I got accepted as the Plaid ambassador, so I'll start telling you about Plaid products. The chalk paint was Plaid too. It was Waverly. That's made by Plaid. When I was looking at all their products, I was really amazed at how many different things they have. Okay, just putting on my napkins and smoothing them out. Try to be very careful so I don't rip, which I have been known to do before. So I don't put the next Mod Podge on until they're completely dry. Now I'm just matching up the lines. Now, I'm not putting any music on this. I've seen a few people kind of complain on other people's channels about the music. Do you like music on when there's a lull? I know some of the singing ones get to me a little bit, but I like the musical ones. So let me know what you think. If it's irritating to the majority of you, I don't want to use music then. Just trimming off the extra on the bottom. I didn't paint the bottom because you don't see it. But I maybe we'll go back and paint it. I didn't paint the inside either. This is a fun challenge to do. Oh, I ripped it a little bit on that spot, so I'm just patching it. So this was a fun challenge to do because I love McKenzie Child. But I can't afford $300 for a set of canisters. Their canisters are round. But good enough. I was going to do a wooden recipe holder, and I painted that white. But then I've decided I think I might make a farmhouse because I just bought these really cool stamps. Oh, this is a Krylon gold leaf marker, and it really comes out nice. It doesn't look dull at all. McKenzie Child uses a lot of gold in their designs. So I'm going around the edges, and then I'm going around the edge on the top. And I'm going around the edge on the other one I'm showing. It's got a nice tip on it. And, you know, it's just got the kind that you pounce up and down and lets the paint come down. But it's so much better doing this than trying to hand paint it. Okay, there it is all done. And see, I did the edges. Now I'm just putting the second coat of the Mod Podge on. That helps seal in the gold too. Which I don't know if the gold needs sealing, but it seals it in. Do you know they have like 4 different kinds of paint in Plaid? They have Waverly chalk paint, they have Apple Barrel, they have Ceramicoat, and they have... can't remember the last one. So here they are all done. These little decorative things on the top, I got those from Amazon, and I spray painted them gold. I thought I had the video turned on, and I didn't. And the little knobs I bought a long time ago for some drawer handles and some cupboards. And I had a couple left over, so being red, they're perfect. And I took the little tiny beads, wooden beads, and I painted them gold. And then I glued them on top. And then I made a little chalkboard sign. I took the tag end of it off and surrounded it with gold and just stuck those on very lightly. They usually have a gold tag saying McKenzie Child on their products. But here they are all done. I think they look gorgeous. I'm excited to use them. I'll probably use them for my tea and my tea bags. And I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe. It helps my channel to grow. Bye till later. And remember, go spread some kindness.